In addition to our 7 standard treatments, we offer a preventative disease program for our Zoysia and Fescue customers. This will vary depending on which species of grass you have on your lawn, but will include regular applications during peak fungus season in order to keep funguses at bay and allow your grass to remain dark green and healthy as we start our growing season. If in between treatments you have a fungus problem or disease problem, which could include zoysia patch, brown patch, or fairy ring, feel free to give our office a call. We'll gladly send a professional out and see what the next step needs to be to cure your lawn and get you back to a green, healthy lawn. But also, for any customers that are not currently on this program or see a problem arising in their lawn, we offer a curative application as well to help stop any disease growth in your lawn and get you back to a healthy lawn quickly. If you see any issues, feel free to give us a call and we'll gladly send a professional out.